I know. So all the cows are just stopped right here. I was worried they'd take off towards the stream. Hey there.
Hey.
They're having the issue with the calf over there that's too slow, so they roped it. Roped it and put it in the truck.
One little lazy one, yeah.
Go find your mama, babes. No, come on. She's not back there.
Mama can't be back there.
No. She just hog-tied a calf. She's a sweet, I think, 16-year-old girl. He's too tired.
Good job, yes. Yeah, good idea.
That's cute. Little guy's tired, huh? Aw, all the babies are tired. Come here. Pick it up. So, not a cattle drive, you know, just normal, everyday Arizona stuff. Woohoo! Say hi, everybody. Cows, ladies.